To use a Gamestop gift card on Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Wallet and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Select the option to add a gift card and then choose Gamestop as the merchant. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card number and the card's security code, which can be found on the back of the card. Enter this information carefully and make sure it is accurate. Once you have entered the gift card information, tap the next button to proceed. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using the gift card in Apple Wallet. After agreeing to the terms, the gift card will be added to your Apple Wallet and you can use it to make purchases at GameStop. To use the gift card, simply open the Apple Wallet app, select the GameStop gift card, and authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. It is also important to note that you can check the balance of your gift card at any time by opening the Apple Wallet app and selecting the GameStop gift card. By following these steps, you can easily add and use a GameStop gift card in Apple Wallet, making it convenient to make purchases at GameStop both online and in store. Additionally, keep in mind that some gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on how they can be used. So it is always a good idea to check the terms and conditions of the gift card before making a purchase. Overall, using a GameStop gift card in Apple Wallet is a simple and convenient process that can help you make the most of your gift card and enjoy your shopping experience at GameStop.